Beautifully updated and meticulously maintained, this spacious home is located in a coveted West Linn neighborhood. It's ideally situated near multiple parks, top-ranking schools, has a walking path to Sunset Elementary School, and quick freeway access. Move-in ready, this home of more than 3,000 square feet offers cork floors, vaulted ceilings, tons of natural light, and a seamless flow between the main living spaces. The dining room opens to the upper deck, overlooking your large backyard oasis. The thoughtfully remodeled kitchen features an induction cooktop island, sleek granite countertops, and custom cabinets. It connects to the cozy family room or workspace with an abundance of convenient built-ins. The stylish staircase takes you to the spacious and private primary suite with open beams, a sitting area, and a luxurious remodeled primary bath. It's complete with separate vanities, a jacuzzi tub, and a large walk-in closet with custom built-ins. You'll find 2 additional generously sized bedrooms with walk-in closets, offering comfort and flexibility. Plus a guest bath. The daylight basement features a guest suite with a built-in Murphy bed, large windows, an additional office with a built-in desk and another Murphy bed, plus a full bath, and a living room with direct access to the deck. It's ready for your summer gatherings by the kiwi berry-draped pergola, various fruit trees, a treehouse, a large greenhouse, garden boxes, and much more. Follow the nearby path to the primary school and Sunset Park, a lovely community park perfect for relaxing under the trees, picnics, or family outings. It's also within walking distance to Wilderness Park and West Linn High School. Come experience the beauty of this exceptional home. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.